Hey, what's up everybody? It's John. So today we're gonna be doing a run through and a practice of what it's gonna be like when we do our raffles. It's kind of a practice for me, and so everybody sees how this works. So I post an item up, just like I did earlier with this the free cash one, and the normal way it works when I post a raffle up. You guys will see the list. You guys can pick your random numbers. It doesn't have to be in order or anything. Whatever lucky number you have. And once all these spots are paid for, then we'll put them in a randomizer just like this. So this is exactly how it would work. Okay, so we're going to have two dice. So first thing first, we start. I would say right here, I would say live. And then you always be able to see the time on the left side of the screen, and you can see the time when I commented, so you know everything's live. At that point, we'd roll the dice and see how many times. Okay, so we have 5. So we're going to roll the dice on random 5 times. So then I would say, I would say good luck to everybody. We randomized 5 times. Alright, there's 2, there's 3, 4, and 5. So spot 4, Ash, would have been the winner. So at this point I would comment, I would say, done, whatever, and now you'd be able to see the time over here on the left. It would say 6:13:23 or whatever. So that's how I would say done, and then at that point in time I would upload this video to YouTube, and as soon as it's done uploading and encoding, I would post it under the comment section, and at that time everybody can watch the video. Nobody spoil who won. I would like for everybody to watch the video, and when you've seen the video, say "seen" or "congratulations" or anything, like that, positive, no negativity. And let's see if we can get some people some good stuff. We can do some pretty expensive raffles too, for a couple $100 here and there and stuff you guys want. So, yep, that's how it's going to be run. Thanks, guys.